guys, I have horrible luck with paint, as y'all haven't noticed yet, but look at that. They scanned it off of the door here, and it really does not match very close at all, which is really upsetting, because the paint, we got it looking pretty good this last time we sprayed it, and the color is just way off. Like, it's just not even close enough for me to go, it's close enough, and you know. So, fuel door's back off. Take it back to the paint shop, take the little bit of paint we got left, and then see what they can do. All right, got everything prepped, back out again. About to mix up some paint. Try it again. Right, painted hopefully a final time. This time didn't get any runs in it. A little bit of orange peel, but not crazy, I guess, but it's all right. Front bumper came out pretty good, and this time it actually looks pretty darn close. That actually matches pretty good, so I think that's gonna work. Right, guys. New front bumper, new paint, matches way better. Matches pretty dang good now. The gloss is a little off, but we figured that because we use single stage on this, and I did get a little bit of orange peel, but matches way better than it did. That looks pretty dang good. All right, guys, check that out. That color is way closer now. Looks a lot better. In the sun, it matches even better. That looks pretty good. I think that's gonna work. Sweet. Right, guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting HiRevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share on this video for your chance to win the AMR 500 Supercharger.